There are lots of things in life which make you very, very happy. There are lots of things in life which get you excited. But there are just those few things in life where you're really overjoyed. Today is one of those very, very special days in my life where I have the pleasure and the privilege of welcoming you back on this brand new show. The Cadbury Bournvita Quiz Contest is back. Lots of new changes, but still we've got questions, we've got schools, we've got teams. And one of the very special new things is we have two languages, Hindi and English, and two quiz masters. It's me, Derek, along with the very beautiful, and as you get to know her better, you'll find out she's extremely intelligent. Let's welcome Soumya Tandon. Soumya, so wonderful to have you on the show.
Thank you so much. आपने इतना कुछ कहा मेरे बारे में डेरेक, और आप यकीन नहीं करेंगे कि बचपन से ही तमन्ना थी कि बोर्नवीटा क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट पे आना है, चैंपियंस बनकर खेलना है। वो तो नहीं हुआ, लेकिन आज ये दिन बहुत खास है क्योंकि यहाँ आपके साथ क्विज मास्टर बनकर खड़ी हूँ। It's special for me.
Soumya, you actually have two roles. One is you're the quiz master along with me, and second is you're also my Hindi tutor. You're going to teach me Hindi as we go along. I hope to learn more and more of Hindi, so you can start right from now.
तो ठीक है, ये वादा है कि मैं आपको हिंदी बोलना सिखा दूंगी और वो भी फर्राटेदार बोलना सिखा दूंगी।
Okay, Farratedar. All set. Let's meet our three teams. The first of our teams.
Drippy Badonia, Amity International School, Noida.
Shinjini Biswas, Amity International School, Noida.
The second of our teams have come from the East Zone, from Jamshedpur, former champions, Sacred Heart School, Jamshedpur.
Jasmeet Kaur, Soumya Vatsa.
And the third of our teams from the West Zone, welcome Navy Children's School, Mumbai.
Arushi Mehta, Rakshit Chawla.
Wonderful. Soumya, we've met the three teams. This is very, very exciting. New rules, new rounds. Our first one is called Innings.
इनिंग्स में आप तीनों टीम्स को 5-5 सवाल दिए जाएंगे। हर सवाल के होंगे 4 ऑप्शंस। अगर आप पहली बार में सही जवाब दे देंगे तो आपको मिलेंगे 100 पॉइंट्स। अगर आप दूसरी बार में सही जवाब देंगे तो आपको मिलेंगे 50 पॉइंट्स, और अगर आप तीसरी बार में सही जवाब देंगे तो आपको मिलेंगे सिर्फ 25 पॉइंट्स।
And what's interesting is all three of you play innings, then we look at the scores, then only the top two teams who've done very well in innings, they will get to play the last round, so one team gets eliminated, all right? So the first team to play innings will be Amity International Noida. Come right across here to play innings. Krippy and Shinjini from Amity International Noida, your chance to score 500 points, okay? All the best. And when you're very sure of an answer, say pakka pakka. That's the time we'll go with it, okay? Otherwise, you can say kacha kacha, okay? Here we go. Who was accompanied by Dorji Latu and Ang Dorji on a historical conquest?
एक ऐतिहासिक जीत पर किसके साथ लातू डॉर्जी और अंग डॉर्जी गए थे? रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, बचेंद्री पाल, सुभाष चंद्र बोस या राकेश शर्मा?
बचेंद्री पाल.
Pakka pakka Bachendri Pal.
Pakka Pakka.
बचेंद्री पाल बिल्कुल सही जवाब है। आपको मिलते हैं 100 पॉइंट्स। बचेंद्री पाल इनफैक्ट पहली भारतीय महिला थी जिन्होंने माउंट एवरेस्ट क्लाइम किया था 1984 में।
All right. Question number 2. Which Nobel Prize has never been shared by 3 laureates? Never ever.
किस नोबेल प्राइज को 3 विजेताओं के बीच कभी नहीं बांटा गया था? पीस, लिटरेचर, इकोनॉमिक्स या केमिस्ट्री?
Peace, yes, because
yeah. Let's go for it.
Peace.
Peace.
We go for peace. Pakka Pakka.
Peace is not the right answer. Peace has been won by so many people together, so many large groups, in fact, together. So not peace. Doesn't matter. In this game, you get a second chance. You can score 50 points.
Economics.
Literature.
Economics.
We go with literature.
You'll go with literature. Pakka pakka literature. Do you get 50 points? Yes, you get 50 points. It is literature. 50 points for you. Here comes question 3. Here we go. In 2010, last year, M.F. Hussain was conferred the nationality or the passport. Which country?
कतार, ओमान, जर्मनी या साउथ अफ्रीका?
Qatar.
Qatar.
Pakka pakka Qatar.
Pakka.
Then 100 points because that's the answer. Good job. Qatar is the right answer. Keep playing innings. Whom did Daulat Khan, the governor of Lahore, invite to invade India? History.
लाहौर के गवर्नर दौलत खान ने किसे भारत पर चढ़ाई करने का निमंत्रण दिया था? चंगेज खान, तैमूर लैन, अलेक्जेंडर या बाबर?
Genghis Khan.
Yeah. We go with Genghis
Genghis
Khan.
Khan.
Pakka. Pakka. Genghis Khan. Do you know your history? You don't.
We don't?
No. That's the wrong answer.
अमिटी इंटरनेशनल नोएडा 50 पॉइंट्स के लिए दोबारा ट्राई कीजिए, क्या हो सकता है जवाब?
I guess we'll go with Babar.
बाबर पक्का.
Pakka.
That's the right answer.
Good job. Babar is the right answer. All right, let's go on. In 1830, the northern boundary of which forest in Asia came to be known as the Dampier-Hodges line?
1830 में किस जंगल की उत्तरी सीमा डैम्पियर हॉजेस लाइन के रूप में पहचानी गई? सुंदरबंस, काजीरंगा, नॉटिंघम या गिर?
Gir, Kaziranga and
Sundarbans.
Sundarbans.
Where do you want to go? To Assam or to Bengal?
We're thinking of Gujarat, right?
Happy holiday, Amity International, but quickly give us an answer.
We'll go with Gir.
Gir is not the right answer. 100 points ka chance chala gaya.
चला गया. अब
Now try for 50 point.
We'll go with Kaziranga.
You'll go with Kaziranga, pakka.
Pakka.
Again, you're wrong. Amity International, you can't guess your way in a quiz contest. You've got two choices to go.
We go with
Sundarbans.
Pakka.
Pakka, Sundarbans.
पक्का सुंदरबंस, तो पक्का 25 पॉइंट्स. वेल डन, आपका स्कोर है 325.
Up next are going to be the girls from Sacred Heart Jamshedpur. Let's see if they can get a little more than 325. Thanks for playing, Amity. Jasmeet and Soumya from Sacred Heart Jamshedpur, you know the rules. This is your innings. Your first target is to get more than 325.
Yes.
Because if you get more than 325, it's certain you will play our last round. Sacred Heart Jamshedpur, the first of 5 questions. Who was referred to as the Bhishma Pitama of Indian politics by Dr. Manmohan Singh?
महात्मा गांधी, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी, राहुल गांधी या अपने आप को?
Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Pakka.
And Atal Bihari Vajpayee is 100 points. Good stuff, Sacred Heart Jamshedpur. Very good start. Now, in 1973, your second one. In 1973, which country produced stamps in the shape of records? You know, before CDs there were records. Records that could be actually played. Which country?
जापान, पाकिस्तान, भूटान या फिर इंडिया?
I think it's Bhutan.
You sure?
I am 90% sure. I think it's Japan. I think it's Bhutan.
We heard that. 90% sure it's Bhutan, and your friend thinks it's Japan.
Yes.
All right. So what are you going to do?
Bhutan,
Bhutan, pakka.
भूटान बिल्कुल सही जवाब है.
Bhutan is the right answer. Superb. 2 on 2, 200. Sacred Heart Jamshedpur, you have a great quizzing tradition in your school. All the best. Can you get a hat trick? Here's the third one. According to legend, the Ravanastram, a stringed instrument made by Ravan, inspired which modern day instrument?
पुराने कथाओं के अनुसार रावण द्वारा बनाया गया वाद्य रावण अस्त्रम किस आधुनिक वाद्य का आधार है? वायलिन, सितार, संतूर या बैकपाइप्स?
Go with Santur. Santur, Pakka.
संतूर पक्का गलत जवाब है.
For the first time, you're wrong. Now try. 50 point के लिए go for one of the 3 options.
Sitar, Pakka.
सितार भी गलत जवाब है, यानी कि अब 25 पॉइंट के लिए आपको तीसरी बार ट्राई करना होगा.
Come on, girls.
Bagpipes.
Bagpipes, pakka.
Pakka.
Bagpipes is the wrong answer. You haven't scored. The right answer is violin. Sacred Heart Jamshedpur, you still have 200 points. Remember, you have to try and get to 325. Traditionally, what is the main component of gatte in the dish called gatte ki sabzi?
पारंपरिक तौर पर गट्टे की सब्जी व्यंजन में गट्टे की मुख्य सामग्री क्या है? बेसन, पनीर, पोटैटो यानी कि आलू या राजमा?
It's besan? Okay, we'll go for besan. Pakka.
That's the answer you've cooked up. Besan is the right answer. Sacred Jamshedpur, what's your score?
300 पॉइंट्स हुए हैं इनके 4 सवालों के बाद। अब आपका आखिरी सवाल है, आपको 325 पॉइंट से ज्यादा स्कोर करना है अगर आपको अगले राउंड में जाना है। ऑल द बेस्ट।
Thank you.
Which organ in the human body generates the most heat?
आई, लिवर, किडनी या हार्ट?
We'll go for kidney.
किडनी।
Kidney.
Kidney.
पक्का kidney.
किडनी पक्का। ये सवाल आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि आप यहाँ पर डिसाइड कर सकते हैं कि आप अगले राउंड में जा रहे हैं या नहीं।
Well, kidney is the wrong answer. One more chance.
If kidney would be wrong, so can liver be? Liver.
Come on, girls,
Is it
quick.
liver?
Pakka.
Or is it heart?
Tell us.
Liver?
Tell us. Tell us.
Pakka liver.
पक्का
liver. Oh my gosh. I don't know about liver. Soumya, I got so nervous. If you're right, you're up to 350. If you're wrong, Amity Noida will get very, very excited. Soumya.
My heart goes out to you. It is liver.
Yeah! Very, very good, girls. You've done really well. Congratulations.
कॉन्टेस्ट बहुत ही दिलचस्प मोड़ पर आ गया है क्योंकि सेक्रेड हार्ट जमशेदपुर ने 350 पॉइंट स्कोर करके अपनी जगह सुपर ओवर में बना ली है। तो क्या नेवी चिल्ड्रन मुंबई अच्छा स्कोर करके सुपर ओवर में जा पाएंगे? देखते हैं कुछ पल में।
Which country is the code for the letter I?
It's not India. India is, I think, IN.
नेवी चिल्ड्रन मुंबई, कम ऑन।
Bonvita Quiz Contest. Bonvita Quiz Contest.
आप देख रहे हैं ब्रांड न्यू कैडबरी बोर्नवीटा क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट का पहला एपिसोड और हमारे साथ खेल रही हैं अपनी पहली इनिंग्स 3 बहुत होनहार टीम्स।
So Navy Children's Mumbai, 325. You got to cross that score. Here's the first of 5 questions. Good luck. Which play by William Shakespeare is considered unlucky as it is believed that the lines contain magic spells?
विलियम शेक्सपियर के किस नाटक को अनलकी माना जाता है क्योंकि कहा जाता है कि उनकी पंक्तियों में जादुई शब्द हैं? मैकबेथ, हैमलेट, मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस या डेविड कॉपरफील्ड?
I think it's Hamlet. It's little magical with ghosts and all that.
Yeah, Hamlet with that ghost that dad's on.
Pakka Hamlet.
Hamlet.
Pakka Hamlet, and it's wrong. So you can't get 100 points, but doesn't matter, Navy children. You can get 50 points. Remember, you got to try and get to 325, 350 actually, to try and get ahead of Amity International Noida. Second choice. Bataiye.
Macbeth or David Copperfield?
Macbeth.
What's your pakka answer?
Pakka Macbeth.
Pakka Macbeth. Pakka Macbeth.
मैकबेथ पक्का सही जवाब है। आपको मिलते हैं 50 पॉइंट्स।
So total hai 50. You got to get to 350. The first Indian Institute of Technology in Kharagpur, that's IIT Kharagpur, was actually built on the site of
खड़गपुर में भारत का पहला आईआईटी जिस जगह बना था वहां पहले क्या था? ब्रिटिश प्रिजन कैंप, सिराजुद्दौला का महल, हाउस ऑफ लॉर्ड क्लाइव या फुटबॉल स्टेडियम?
Lord Clive. Lord Clive का house.
No, I think it's Palace. The Palace.
Sirajuddaulla's palace.
I think so.
Pakka Sirajuddaulla's palace.
why? Because the girl told you, so you listen to the girl. So what do you want to do? Pakka where?
Sirajuddaulla's Palace.
You are not right. आपके 100 पॉइंट्स गए, अब आप 50 पॉइंट के लिए दोबारा ट्राई कीजिए।
Football stadium.
Now it's football stadium. Pakka pakka.
Pakka pakka.
And football stadium pakka pakka again is not the right answer. Only Amity are very, very happy whenever you miss. They are delighted.
अब क्या सही जवाब है? पक्का पक्का जवाब, नेवी चिल्ड्रन मुंबई, कम ऑन।
British prison camp. Pakka pakka.
ब्रिटिश प्रिजन कैंप, पक्का पक्का, यही है सही जवाब।
Good, 25 points. Very, very good. Keep going. What's your score now?
75.
75. Remember, you got to reach 350. According to the NATO phonetic alphabet, which country is the code for the letter I?
इंडोनेशिया, ईरान, इंडिया या इस्लामाबाद?
It's not Islamabad. Islamabad is city. It's not a country. So it's not Islamabad.
It's not India. India is, I think, IN. Possibly.
So Indonesia or Iran.
Lots of confusion in Mumbai. What's your pakka pakka answer? I.
Pakka pakka Iran.
Pakka pakka Iran? No, it's not pakka pakka Iran. We can't give you the points. So you have to try for 50 again.
Pakka pakka Indonesia.
And Indonesia.
गलत जवाब है। आपके हैं 75 पॉइंट्स ऑलरेडी। 25 पॉइंट के लिए आपका क्या जवाब है?
Pakka pakka India.
Pakka pakka India. Pakka pakka India is the right answer. Mera bahut mahan. I for India. 25 points. Now what's your score?
100.
अगर आपका स्कोर 100 है और अगर आप आगे आने वाले दोनों सवालों का सही जवाब भी देते हैं तो भी आप 325 का टोटल नहीं कर सकते, यानी कि किसी कीमत पे आप सुपर ओवर राउंड में नहीं जा सकते।
Sacred Heart Jamshedpur are through to Super Over. They will take on the girls, all girls from Amity, Noida.
तो डेरेक और सौम्या वापस आकर खेलेंगे सुपर ओवर 2 ऑल गर्ल्स टीम के साथ बस कुछ ही पल में। सेक्रेड हार्ट जमशेदपुर ने कहा है चेस और अमिटी इंटरनेशनल नोएडा ने कहा है कबड्डी।
One of them is right, one of them is wrong.
Bonvita Quiz Contest. Bonvita Quiz Contest.
कैडबरी बोर्नवीटा क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट के इस नए अवतार में आज हमें मिलने वाली है हमारी पहली विनिंग टीम, क्योंकि सेक्रेड हार्ट जमशेदपुर और अमिटी इंटरनेशनल नोएडा खेल रहे हैं अपना आखिरी राउंड यानी कि सुपर ओवर।
In Super Over, each team will be given the same 6 questions. All right? No options. All you have to do is listen to the questions carefully and then write it down. If you're watching at home, you can actually see what the teams are writing. So at the end of the 6 questions, whichever team has answered more points, well, that team will move into the final. And just in case the scores are equal, like 3 all or 4 all, then Sacred Heart Jamshedpur will go through because you did better in innings. All right, here's the first question. All set. 70% of Brazil's total area comprises the Amazon rainforest. Am I serious or joking?
आपका टाइम शुरू होता है अब।
Sacred Heart Jamshedpur have written an answer. Amity International Noida have written an answer. 10 seconds, haven't yet finished.
Finish.
Yep. Sacred Heart Jamshedpur, you said you're joking. I'm joking, right? Amity thought we were giving you the right answer. Serious.
सेक्रेड हार्ट जमशेदपुर ये बिल्कुल सही जवाब है और इसके साथ आपको मिलता है 1 पॉइंट.
Okay, let me tell you, it's not actually 70%, it was 40%. Here comes the second question. While writing in English, which planet has the letter T exactly in the middle of its name?
अंग्रेजी में किस ग्रह के नाम के बिल्कुल मध्य में टी अक्षर आता है? आपका समय शुरू होता है अब.